Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to learn how to create your first sign up form for your mailing list. It's you can also call it a landing page because if you put it somewhere, you share it somewhere, people can actually subscribe to your blog using this. So this is what your dashboard looks like. You have to go at the top and click on lists. That will take you to another page. This is like the basic list you can see that is formed on your account when we created it. Click on that list and that will show you another window. Now here you see various options. Click on sign up forms, which is highlighted. It will take you to different types of forms. Today we are designing a form, so we will go to form builder. So on the right, click on select. This will take you to a portion, this is the actual form builder. You have a sign up form link here, and at the top, different forms that you can have. So let me show you how it is done now. Okay, so this is your form builder, what it looks like. You can always use this to actually change your welcome mail or other things like thank you page. So all of this can be changed from here. Okay, so this is what your thank you page looks like. This is how your welcome mail looks like. Okay, I'll just show you. Give me a minute. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to use this to make your sign up form. Okay, so this is the form builder. I have selected sign up form. This is the link I will be using for sharing it. Okay, now there are three things. Okay, build it, which talks about how it looks, what message it contains, what fields it contains. You can also use it for designing. So what color you want, like how you want it in terms of margin, the wrappers, everything can be designed, okay, the background and all. And let me get started with the main item, which is like how you actually build the forms. You can change the text here, okay, so you can put your website name here. I've put sharing our experience here, and which is my website, sharingourexperiences.com. You can also use it as an image. Okay, so you can just say I want to use some image here, so you upload a file and then select it and use it. Okay, so for now I am going back. So if you have a header file which you use, header pic which you use for your blog, you can use the same thing here and it will come right at the top. Otherwise, for now we can put a text here. Okay, so let us go back. Okay, I don't want to put. So I have put sharing our experiences here. You can edit it by clicking here, and I want it to be center aligned. Okay, so just like a normal text, we can do this. Now main thing is, what fields do I want here? Okay, so let me okay, so I am in sign up form and I want to build it. Give me a minute. Okay, it's looking different. Give me a minute. Okay, so in case if I want to add a field here, I can always use this option. I can add a text, I can add a number, I can add a radio button, a checkbox, drop down, date, birthdays, address, anything here. Okay, and what are the field settings like? What should be the name? What is it it's available to? Is it a required field? Is it a visible field, or is it a hidden field? Okay, so these are the two options that we have. Once you have done a field setting, you can save it. So I'll repeat it once again. Like for sign up forms, let me just go back and change it, okay, because it is showing me confirmation thank you page right now and it has not edited it. So you can always go back and say I want sign up forms. So this is my sign up form, okay, that we had earlier. Okay, so I want to add a message here. Let's say I want to say join thousands of subscribers, and that's like a very basic message. Okay, you can always change it, or you can actually get a free ebook when you sign up. Okay, if you do that, you will have to create a welcome mail containing link to this ebook. Okay, so we will talk about that later. Right now I'm just showing you how to edit the form. Okay, so this is how the text comes here. And if you want, you can delete something, you know. So if I want, I can say remove this first name. I won't do it for this form, but then this is something that can be done. Okay, so we did talk about fields a minute back. Let me just add a field and show you how it's done. Okay, so I go to add a field. Let's say I want to add a text, or I want to add checkboxes. Okay, like let's say age of kid. Okay, so I want to say age of kids. It is a visible field, and I want the option as 0 to 1 years. Another option is 1 to 2 years. Okay, I've clicked some wrong button. Okay, sorry, 1 to 2 years, or 2 to 4 years, and let's say 4 years above. Okay, so I want to form like that. So all of this is done. All of these are visible. Okay, so I save them as a field. Oh god, it's changing it again and again to, you know, somehow thank you page. Let me bring it back. And let me see if it has saved it. See, it's coming like this. Okay, if you want, you can have it as a hidden field. Okay, what do you mean by hidden field is, if I do this and I save it here, you will see them as hidden. Okay, that what it means is it is available to you, it's not available to the people who are subscribing. I will remove this hidden option, and I'll just give a quick summary of what we discussed as of now. Okay, so we're talking about how to create a field, how to create a form for subscribers. So we went to lists, we selected our list, we went to sign up forms right here, and then we selected sign up form here. This is the link in case if I want to put it on my website or put it on my social media channels. So this is sharing our experiences. You want to get a free book when you sign up, give me your email ID, first name, last name. This is the hidden one in blue, and then I have a birthday, and then in yellow I have age of kids, which I added using field options here. Okay, so what are the field options? You can add a field with the label, it could be visible or hidden, and you can different type of fields that are there are text, number, radio buttons, checkboxes, drop down date, birthday, and so on. Okay, so this is how you design your basic form. Sorry. Okay, so the other things that I wanted to talk about at a quick go is, we did mention it before, we can actually change various kind of mails that we have here, the final mail, the confirmation thank you mail. So you can actually design it and build it as you want. So all I wanted to say in the end is thank you. If you have any queries, please do, ask me. Bye and take care.